Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to share your location on iPhone. This is super handy when you want your friends or family to know where you are. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app. Then here tap your Apple ID name at the top. Next, select Find My. Then here tap Share My Location, then toggle it on. After that, open the Find My app on your iPhone. At the bottom, go to the People's tab and tap Start Sharing Location. Choose the contact you want to share with and tap Send. Here you can choose how long to share your location, if it's 1 hour, until the end of the day, or share indefinitely. And that's it. You know how to share your location on your iPhone. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick iPhone tips. Thanks for watching.